Hello guys, on this video I want to show you how to fix the light on the clock on a Toyota Corolla 2006. It's not turning on, so we gotta remove this clock and do some soldering. We're gonna start by removing this plastic down here. Okay, we're gonna get it out of the way, and then we remove these two Phillips screws, one here and one here. Let's see. Okay, once we remove this guy out of the way, we're gonna take this one out and we're gonna loosen this one. Okay, you should be able to pull this out. You might have to move your shift. There. Make sure you guys keep getting this out. You should be able to get it out now. Okay, so you guys want to get your screwdriver, your flathead screwdriver, and put your screwdriver in here and just pull. Okay, you're gonna make sure you're gonna pull enough so this piece comes out. Once this piece it's out, you just grab with your hand, make sure the screwdriver it's out, and then you're gently gonna remove this piece. Okay, make sure you guys use both hands, and then this comes out. Okay, now you guys will need to remove these connectors in the back. Okay, make sure you get all those. Okay, so now once we get this out, we're gonna remove this plug here. Make sure you remove all the connections before. Okay, so again, grab your screwdriver. You're gonna remove this clock. Okay, I'm gonna do it with both hands now. Okay, here we have our clock from the car. What happens, these contacts here, they unsolder, so you have to solder it back. You just have to grab a soldering gun and you're gonna press against these contacts. Okay, you gotta make sure this gun is hot, 350 degrees. So you will make sure we heat up these contacts Okay, get this one. Okay, it's super easy. Okay, so now we're gonna try it on again. Okay, so here we are back in the car. We're gonna plug this in. We're gonna test it, make sure it's working. I don't have one hand, so one hand for the phone, so it's gonna be hard to show you guys how to plug it in, but we're gonna plug it in right there. Okay, now we're just gonna test it. I'm gonna turn the car on. Okay, the light came on. So very simple fix. Anyone can do it. You just need a soldering gun. It's like 10 bucks on eBay. I'm gonna put the links in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like the video and subscribe.